Forgot your iPhone passcode and can't unlock your device? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you several practical ways to regain access to your iPhone. Method 1. Use Forgot Passcode option. Enter the wrong code 5 times until the iPhone unavailable screen appears, then tap Forgot Passcode. Sign in with your Apple ID password to erase the device. After the reset, you can set up your iPhone again and restore your data from a backup if available. Method 2. Erase iPhone via iCloud. Another option is using iCloud. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID and passcode. Open Find My. Select your iPhone and choose Erase. Confirm you want to erase the device. Once the process is complete, the passcode will be removed, and you can set up the device again. Method 3. Use recovery mode with a computer. You can also unlock your iPhone using recovery mode. First, open iTunes or Finder on your computer. Connect your iPhone to a computer and put it into recovery mode. Once detected, choose Restore and wait for the process to finish. This will erase the device and remove the passcode. Method 4. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If you want a simpler solution, you can try TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. This tool can remove various iPhone locks, including screen passcodes and activation lock. Just install the software, connect your iPhone, and choose Unlock iOS screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Then download the firmware package. Once finished, click Unlock. TunesKit will erase your iPhone and passcode. Reset your passcode and make sure you remember it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.